Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into your Capital One account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Capital One account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar at the top of the screen, click over there and type in the address capitalone.com and hit on enter. And on the next step guys, you'll be directed to the home page of Capital One Bank. Now let's let it load guys. Now you can also log into your Capital One bank account from over here by directly entering your username or your password, or click on the sign in button at the top right corner of the screen. You'll be taken to a login panel of the Capital One as this one. From wherever you log in, it's the same thing. Enter your username over here which you had registered on Capital One at the time of creating your account, and after that enter your password over here guys. Well guys, if you've forgotten your username or password, you can always set it from over here where you said forgot username or password. If you click on this button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you will be able to retrieve your username or password depending upon which one you lost. And with that being said, after entering your username and your password, click on the sign in button over here, and then you'll be logged into your Capital One bank account online on your computer. And there guys, this is how to log into your Capital One bank account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.